To weather now, obviously, we're kind of eyeing the tropics and everything that's headed toward the Carolinas at this time.
It is that time of year. We've had our first landfall with a tropical storm, Chantal. It is down to a tropical depression now, but still causing some issues, especially across North Carolina. Central parts of the state have had some incredibly heavy rainfall rates at times today, some flooding concerns for the folks down there. This is moving off to the northeast at about 12 miles per hour, so it's losing a little bit of steam as it interacts with more land than water, and it's going to continue to race off towards the northeast over the next day or so and eventually out into the Atlantic. So going to be pushing away from our area, but we are going to have our rain chances on the increase. We've been mostly dry so far this month, and especially after some of the heat, we could use a little bit of rainfall, and we've got plenty of chances to have rain as we go through the week ahead. One thing to notice here, these are all fairly scattered chances. There's not a day that looks like a total washout. It's really just going to be unsettled, and that will have that chance for some showers, some rumbles of thunder. Not expecting any washouts right now, but you could encounter some of those showers and storms at times as we go through the week, and that might put a damper on some of your outdoor plans or cause a few issues on the roadways. So something to be aware of as you plan the week ahead. Out there right now, it has been a very hot weekend. We made it into the 90s yesterday and today, and it's still incredibly warm heading into the overnight. 83 degrees right now. We've got a breeze coming in from the south. Our dew points are creeping up a couple of degrees, and we're going to see those continue to rise as we go through the overnight hours. Just a couple of very minor showers developing earlier today, especially west of Cleveland, but we have been watching some development further off to the west, and we've been watching to see if we can get any of those showers to actually head our way. So far, just kind of clipping the Lake Erie Islands for the time being, but we're going to watch this line. This is part of our front that's going to try to head our way into tomorrow. Might get just a stray shower or pop up ahead of that, so we'll call it just a chance for a shower out there for tonight. Better chances as we get this front to move through. So this front's really going to kind of help to sweep Chantal out towards the Atlantic, but then it's kind of going to stop and just kind of hang out over our area. So we're going to feel the effects of that with those unsettled conditions as we go through again much of the week ahead. With this, we're also going to have a lot of humidity. We've got dew points in the 70s, some very humid air as that front approaches. So our humidity is definitely going to be on the increase tonight and heading into Monday. You'll really feel the difference in the air. As we get into Monday, we'll bring back some rain and rumbles. Some times of heavy rain could be possible, especially through the afternoon and evening. And where we have some of that heavier rain setting up, we very quickly could get some totals over an inch. This is not necessarily these specific areas. It's just the idea that some locations could end up with over an inch of rainfall where that heaviest rain is falling. So keep that in mind as we go through the day tomorrow. National Designer hour-by-hour forecast. Again, through the overnight hours, just an isolated shower, if anything. Most of us just waking up very humid tomorrow morning. As we go through the day, highs will be in the 80s, and then we will cool off a little bit as we get some showers and thunderstorms to develop. Again, some of these could have some pockets of heavier rain, and that heavier rain could add up very quickly, possibly cause a few issues on the roadways or evening plans for a few of you. Those do not last very long, though. We'll generally start to dry out as we go through the overnight hours. Call it just a lingering shower possible, especially the further south you are overnight and into early Tuesday. Dew points will be falling on Tuesday. It's going to be our coolest of the next several days as we top out near 80 degrees. From there, the rest of that Medina Country Club extended forecast, we are right near average as we go through the rest of the work week, but again, we'll be fairly unsettled, at least a chance for some showers or storms each day. Peter?
Jessica, thanks.